Hmm. I wonder what riddle I have in this package. Wow, we have a unique Cremona. Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. I just come from the post office and brought a new guitar that I'm going to show you. It came from the other city. It's written fragile here. Hmm. I wonder what riddle I have in this package. Let's open it. Look at the headstock. Do you have any idea what the guitar might be? Right, yeah. This is Cremona from Czechoslovakia. It comes with original machine heads. In general, it's in very good condition. The frets are made of brass or copper. In a pristine new condition. The best Cremona I have ever had. It has a shiny, glossy finish here, like a mirror. Look at the back and sides. Looks like a new guitar, even though it's approximately 40 years old. The neck is straight. It seems like the only problem we have with this guitar is its bridge turn off. And as usually the cause is steel strings that are not supposed to be used on classical guitars. I'm now going to put my hand into the guitar to assess its bracing. Wow, we have a unique Cremona. There is no fan here. We have a leather bracing instead. It's very rare for Cremonas. On Cremonas, we usually have a fan with 7 rays. I wonder how this type of bracing affects its sound. I'm looking forward to fixing it and listening to what the guitar sounds like. So guys, let's get started. Let's repair this instrument.